I'm Haim Argaman, the owner of Arcana Windows Doors. We sell and install windows and doors for the residential market in GTA. Our IT is in the cloud, our team is distributed, and we are accessing all the time everything from everywhere on multiple devices. We needed one solution protecting everything everywhere, and we find with Armour 360 one solution, centralized and everything taken care of. The process with Armour started with an audit of our situation, what we do, what are the tools we are using, what are the devices that we have, and they came up with a complete solution to protect everything from our cloud assets to the individual devices of our team. They help us to implement it, to deploy it, and now they are managing it on an ongoing basis. Yes, I would definitely recommend Armour to anyone. Cybersecurity is very tricky. You don't really know what's going on there, and you need to trust the tools and the people. I know that the people, the team of Armour, are very professionals. I know that the tools they use are from very reputable suppliers, and I like the approach where they monitor everything, they make sure it's up to date, and everything is taken care of for me.